Hello everyone, if you are in the beverage manufacturing industry, you already know it's not just about what inside the bottle, it's also about how strong the bottle is on the outside. Imagine this, a perfectly made soda, bottled and sealed, but during transport the bottle burst. The result, product loss, customer complaints and brand damage. That's why every beverage manufacturer today need a bottle burst tester. This machine is a game changer when it comes to ensuring bottle strength and reliability. It tests how much internal pressure a bottle can handle before it bursts, giving you a clear picture of the bottle performance under stress. Let's talk about why this matters so much. High-speed filling lines. During bottling, pressure build up fast. A weak bottle can crack instantly. Carbonated drink. The fizz adds internal gas pressure. Only a tested bottle can handle it safely. Any defect can lead to a disaster. And the solutions? Bottle burst tester. It catches weak spots early, help maintain consistent quality across batches, ensures compliance with industry standards and audits, prevents costly recalls and builds customer trust. At Pacorr, our bottle burst tester comes the precise controls, digital pressure displays and automatic test reports, making it an essential tool for your quality department. So if you want to deliver safe, strong and reliable packaging for your beverages, this isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. For more information, visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888-2149230.